professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Agile Olympiad. Our guest speaker today is Nitesh Naveen, CEO Unicom and President India Agile Week 2013. Nitesh has deep insight into current trends in IT industry. He is passionate about Agile and believes that Agile has to play a bigger role in India. An IIM Calcutta alumni, Nitesh is also a motivational speaker and mentor to many budding thought leaders in Agile. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Naveen.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nitesh. I'm from Unicom, and thanks for joining in the webinar. I know it's 5 o'clock in the evening in India, and you must be waiting for this webinar to get over so that you can reach home, beat the traffic, and and be with your family. This whole presentation has been made keeping you in mind. This Agile Olympiad, as the name suggests, is one of the most sought after Agile trophy that we have for you. This is being offered as part of India Agile Week, which we are running from October 21st to 26th in 8 cities in India. We are running this event in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, and Trivandrum. Let me just take you straight away to what we are doing in this India Agile Week. So this is the whole week. We'll be running various events on Agile, including conference, workshop, webinars. We'll be running free briefings. So you will be hearing a lot of noise around Agile. And to keep you motivated and to make sure that you have something to take back home, we have come up with this unique concept called Agile Olympiad. Now, India Agile Week 2013 is being sponsored by Scrum Alliance and also Agile Testing Alliance. Now, let me go straight to what is Agile Olympiad, which is a part of India Agile Week. So have you ever seen a contest or a league for Agile professionals? I know there are various certification courses available, like Certified Scrum Master, PMI ACP. You have certification courses offered by Scrum.org and various other bodies. But is there any contest which actually makes you win over a pool of Agile thought leaders? Have you ever heard of an Agile thought leader getting facilitated in front of the Agile community? We have seen conferences after conferences, events after events, projects getting facilitated, companies are getting rewarded for something which they are doing, in something unique they are doing in Agile projects. But what we have is for you. India Agile Week 2013 brings Agile Olympiad for professionals in India working in Agile projects or going to work in Agile projects. This is a unique opportunity to basically to bless yourself with a gold medal in Agile Olympiad. What is Agile Olympiad? This is an opportunity where you can let your intellect shine. I know all of you come with tremendous experience. Some of you also have vast experience in handling Agile projects. Now this is an Olympiad, as the name suggests. As you would have heard about Physics Olympiad, you would have heard about Chemistry Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, which actually identifies the best mathematician or a physician in that age group. This Agile Olympiad is to identify most intelligent Agile practitioner or most intelligent IT professional who have vast knowledge on various aspects on Agile. We are looking for the most intelligent Agilists in India. So how does it work? Now this is this is a question, so you must be having it in mind. So how do we make sure that you win Agile Olympiad, and who are part of Agile Olympiad? So as the name suggests, Agile Olympiad is a quiz competition. It's India's #1 corporate quiz on Agile methodologies. We will be covering gamut of topics around Agile. So every topic under Agile will be covered in the quiz. We'll be covering topics like Agile modeling, AUP, clear crystals, methods, dynamic systems, DSDM, XP, Scrum, Kanban. We have a complete list of topics on our website, the link to which I'll be sharing at the end of the presentation. Now with these topics, one thing is for sure, that as and when you are preparing for Agile Olympiad, your fundamentals will get strong. We have a complete list of topics, and those who are serious and those who wants to win Agile Olympiad are expected to get a thorough understanding, theoretical as well as practical, on these topics. Those who can't get practical, they can at least try to get a theoretical knowledge on these topics. This way, not only you brighten your chance to win Agile Olympiad, but also you develop a sound knowledge on Agile. There are various online courses available. There are various information. There are a lot of information across the internet. So make use of Google. Make use of your company's resources. Reach out to us. We will offer you a lot of information about Agile, and prepare well for this quiz. Now, how this quiz will be conducted? So Agile Olympiad will have 2 rounds, and then we'll have semifinals and finals. So it is absolutely free. Each one of you can register for this Agile Olympiad. So in the round 1, which will happen on 24th of September, it will be conducted online. So you will be taking an online quiz, which will be for 30 minutes. One of the criteria to register for this event is that you have to find a team member. So a team needs to register for Agile Olympiad, and a team of at least so minimum 2 and maximum 2 should be there. So basically, we are looking for a team of 2, and this is a corporate event. So this is not open for freshers and students. This is open for those who are currently working in organizations, or who have prior work experience but are not working. You can have teams from different companies. You can have teams from the same company. You can have more than one team from your company. So, and then you can register online, and on 24th September you will be playing the first round. The link for the test will be given to all the teams 5 days prior to the quiz day. So on 19th September, you will be getting the online quiz link 5 days before the round 1, which is on 24th of September. And based on performance, selected teams would move to round 2. So we would be selecting the top 80% teams, and they will qualify for the second round. So suppose 2,000 teams participate. So we will be selecting about 80% of 2,000, which is 1,600 teams will play the round 2. Now, this is again free, and it will be conducted on 8th of October. Just like round 1, it will be conducted online for 30 minutes. And like round 1 and round 2, there will be 40 objective type questions for Agile Olympiad. In those 40 type will be will have multiple choice, and you will have to answer one of those questions. As in round 1, the test link will be sent to all the teams 5 days prior to the quiz days, and the top 50% of the teams will be selected for the semifinals. And those who get selected for the semifinals need to enroll themselves. Now let's see what happens on the semifinals. Now semifinals will be conducted at Hotel Lee Meridian on October 25th. This is when we are running Agile conference in Bangalore. So the venue is Hotel Lee Meridian, and those who qualify for the semifinals need to pay an enrollment fee of ₹600 per team. and you get a chance not only to attend the Agile Olympiad but also to attend the conference. The fee needs to be paid by 15th of October. So 5th October you play the round 2, and within 10 days you have to pay the enrollment fee. So it is 3,000 rupees per person, so makes it 6,000 rupees per team. Now semifinals would be conducted at Hotel Le Méridien at 9 o'clock in the morning, and it will be a pen and paper based mode. It will be for 30 minutes. You will have 30 objective type questions and 2 subjective questions. And the top 4 teams goes to the final, and they play the final on the same day in the evening at 4:30 p.m. Now let's see what happens in the final and how the finals would be conducted. So the grand finale for Agile Olympiad will be conducted at 4 p.m. at Hotel Le Méridien on October 25th. And it will be it will have verbal round, audio round, buzzer round, and it will have also video quiz. And it will be for 40 minutes. There will be live scoring, and the audience will also be participating. So it will be conducted at par with Bonvita quiz contest or KBC. The questions will, the difficulty level will increase. And the whole idea is to find the best team, the most intelligent team with vast knowledge on Agile. This is the objective. Now let's see what is in its store for the best team. So what do you win? What is the objective? What do you get at the end of the day? So we have fantastic prizes for you, but most important is getting recognition in front of hundreds of people, getting renowned in the community, getting facilitated by the experts, and letting everyone know that you are a gold medalist of Agile Olympiad 2013. It's a unique recognition. This recognition will do wonders for your career. Now let's see what is the winning prize. So the team that wins amongst the whole 2,000 teams that we are expecting from 25 countries and from over 500 companies, we will be choosing one winner. And what will he get? Now he wins an iPad mini. Now this iPad mini will be given to the winning team, to each member of the winning team. We will be giving an iPad mini, and it will be given at the Agile conference during the award ceremony. So you win an iPad mini, and as the name suggests, this is an Olympiad, and in every Olympiad the winners get a gold medal. This is what you also get. So both the team members will get an iPad mini and a gold medal. In addition to that, a certificate claiming them to be most intelligent Agile practitioner in India. So these are the 3 winning prizes for the winning team. What is in store for the runners-up? So we know that the winning team will get a gold medal. So we'll have a runners-up team, which is the second team, and they will be getting a silver medal. They'll also get recognition in front of hundreds of Agile practitioners, and they will get facilitated by the experts. And they will be getting a smartphone. So each of the runners-up team member gets a smartphone, and in addition to that, they win a silver medal, a unique thing which says that they were second to the best of the Agile minds in India. So this is the silver medal that you will be getting in addition to the smartphone. This is for runners-up. And then what do others get? So all the semi-finalists gets a certificate. So we give certificate to qualify for the semi-finals to all the semi-finalists, and those who come to the finals also, the 3rd and the 4th team member also get a unique prize. So this is the way how we are identifying Agile Olympiad. Now, why are we doing this? We are doing this because Unicom is running India Agile Week 2013 from October 21st to October 26th. It will be the biggest Agile meetup in India. We will be covering 8 cities. There will be over 100 presentations. There will be 100 plus thought leaders who will be presenting on different topics, both managerial, technical, they were innovative, and very thought-provoking topics. This event is sponsored by Scrum Alliance and Agile Testing Alliance and is being supported by TechGig and India Agile Community. Let me talk to you a little bit about India Agile Community. India Agile Community is India's biggest Agile community, having over 5,000 active members, and their whole objective is to make Agile widespread across the industry in India. So not only manufacturing and IT where primarily Agile practices are used, but also other sectors like telecom, and other including and also government sector. So this is the overall thing about the meetup where Agile Olympiad is being conducted. And will be attended by over 700 delegates. We will have participants. We are planning all the 8 cities in India: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, and Trivandrum. And to those who have some new ideas on Agile, but it has not been explored or tested, we will give those speakers an opportunity to present at the lightning talks. So far, we have received over 200 registrations. So basically, over 400 people have already registered for Agile Olympiad. That is, that they want to Ken Schwaber, Lisa Crispin, Linda Rising, etc., Jeff Sutherland, their names. They want to, Agile, is one of the most emerging processes that
Mr. Naveen, your voice is actually breaking up. Okay.
analyze the growth of the names that you saw in the previous slide. What they have done to be so popular, what extra they are doing, and what we can do so that we can help you to become a name, to give recognition to you the way they have got. So we will provide you with networking opportunities. We will help you to grow and become global. You can participate. We'll promote your blogs, your tweets. What do we expect in return from you? what separates a thought leader from a not so thought leader. What we have realized is that those who become thought leader, they are specialists in a particular field. So I'm sure you would be spending more than 10 hours browsing, trying to know what is happening in the world of IT in your country, in your state, in your city, and you will be increasing your general awareness. Our approach is to suggest to you that you spend 10 hours every month on a topic that we will choose for you in consultation with you, where you can become a specialist. And you spend 10 hours every month in knowing about that topic. We will have a time frame of 5 years, and we will be selecting one person. We will be mentoring him, we will be grooming him, we will be providing him with all the networking opportunities, and we will suggest to you, after mutual discussion and agreement, one topic which you can implement in your organization. Like, for example, you choose to implement continuous integration in your project or a DevOps in your project. So we will help you to understand the topic. We will help you to find out whether that topic will be really useful to your project and to your company. And we will encourage you to suggest to your manager that why you should implement that and what benefits will you get. Now, your company can take it in two ways. Your company can accept your idea and will give you a chance to execute, or your company may not accept the idea and may not give you a chance to execute. Now, if the first situation happens where you execute it, so you plan it. So that's where that is the budding seed. That's where the seed of thought leadership will be sown, where you actually get a hands-on knowledge on something which is new in the industry. If your company doesn't permit, we will help you to prepare a white paper. So you prepare a white paper that why that particular process or tool will help your project. And this way, we will help you to publish your white paper at India Agile Week next year, and we will have your manager look at it, and we will have your managers receive it and know that there's somebody who's trying to make a difference, but he's not getting an opportunity. Maybe that your project may not have that opportunity, but your manager or your manager's manager or your CEO of your company may have a project which will require that kind of a tool or a process implementation, and you will be given that opportunity. The whole idea is that to become a thought leader, you have to become a specialist. To become a specialist, you have to spend 10 hours every month. And we have a one-year program. At the end of the one-year program, we offer you a corporate shield. We will send the shield to the CEO of your company, to the managing director of your company. We will have you listed on our newsletters, and we'll facilitate you at our conference. So this way you get internal as well as external recognition. To be a thought leader, you need to get respect in your company. You need to get respect in your community. Then only you become a thought leader. And we have this mentor program free. You can register with us. We do not accept anyone for this thought leadership program. We are looking for that bright individual across any level. He can be even a fresher who has just joined a company, or he can be a very senior executive working in a firm. But what we need is a spark. That person should have a spark and willingness to try out new things, to learn new things, and he should have a vision to see himself where he is standing after 5 years, and he should be very dedicated and disciplined person. We have this selection process where once you are selected, you will be made to run this program, and every year we will be rewarding the most, the best thought leader that we have selected. And in 5 years time, after you have spent close to 600 hours working on a particular topic, rest assured you will earn the respect. You will become a thought leader, and no better process to become a thought leader other than Agile. It is one of the most widely accepted emerging. It's already emerged. It's not emerging. It's the most. And there are a lot of activities happening around it. Now, what are the topics that you can choose? I'm sure I'm talking to a lot of developers, managers, program managers, and leads and analysts. Some of the emerging areas of Agile which you can choose can be any of these, like DevOps, Scrum Ban, continuous integration, Agile testers, lean startup. The whole idea is that you choose one of these areas. These are all emerging and it's going to be high in demand. If you want to know what these are, you can search Wikipedia or you can come to our conference, which is in October, and you will get an idea about what these are and whether these can be useful for your project. Remember that you have to align your company's goal with your goal, and only then will you succeed. So you have to find out what will work in your company, choose one of these emerging areas and implement it in your company and in your project. Be a specialist and rule the world. This is the mantra for success. This is the mantra to be thought leader, and this is what Unicom strives for. We want to see each one of you emerge 20 times better than what you are right now, and we do this through this thought leadership program. So you can visit us at agileinbusiness.com or unicomlearning.com. You can write to us at contact@unicomlearning.com. So just to, I have finished, I'm at the end of my half-an-hour presentation. Just to take you briefly what we discussed. I'm just going back to the first slide, and we'll just refresh what all opportunities are there for you to take advantage of and grow in your career. I'll take a couple of seconds for the slide to load. Now, this presentation is being done because we are running India Agile Week 2013 from October 21st to 26th in 8 cities in India: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, and Trivandrum. From North India to South India, East to West, we are covering each and every important city. As part of this event, we are running Agile Olympiad, which is basically to identify the most intelligent Agile practitioner. And this is how it works. So we will be covering, a gamut of topics in Agile, from Agile modeling, XP, Scrum, Dynamic System, DSDN, everything. And you play a round one, which is free. So there's no cost. You come, you try your luck, see whether you qualify for the second round. We are going to select top 80% in the second round. And in the second round, we are going to select the top 50% teams who will play the semifinals. The semifinals will October 25th, and then you play the finals. The finals, both the semifinals and finals, will happen at Hotel Lee Meridian. And the finals will be a verbal, audio, and video quiz. It will be for 40 minutes with live scoring with the audience. And we have fantastic prizes, recognition, awards for you. The best team wins the gold medal, and in addition to that, an iPad mini. And the runners-up wins a smartphone and a silver medal. And you get fantastic recognition, and you'll get facilitated by the experts. You get renowned in the community. As the name suggests, India Agile Week, the objective is to have the biggest Agile and the most effective Agile conference in India, and we are doing it across the country. And in the same week, 8 conferences, 30 plus workshops will be conducted. There will be over 100 speakers giving 100 plus presentations. This event being organized by Unicom, sponsored by Scrum Alliance and Agile Testing Alliance, and supported by TechGig and India Agile Community. Let me just come back to you with our Agile Thought Leadership Program, which is for free. Our goal is to make the brightest of the minds a thought leader in the area of Agile. We will encourage you to spend about 10 hours every month on increasing your knowledge. We will help you to get both internal as well as external recognition. We will help you to grow and become global. We will encourage you to blog, we will encourage you to tweet, and we will encourage you to be present at the place where it will matter to you. You will learn, you will implement, and you will specialize. By this, I come to the end of my presentation. These are our websites, agileinbusiness.com and unicomlearning.com. I would say let's begin. Let's begin our journey and let's make a difference to the world of Agile. I am open for questions now, and I believe we will be having questions which I'll be able to take care. So we have the first question. The first question is from Manish. He's asking what will be the fees for the semi-final. So Manish, the fee for semi-finals is rupees 6,000. So as you can see in my presentation, so I'll just take you to my presentation where it mentions the fee. So it is 6,000 rupees per team. So this is the screen which which will come on your desktop very soon. So the enrollment fee is 6,000 rupees per team, so which is 3,000 rupees per person. And this is the enrollment for the semi-finals, not for the first 2 rounds. Only when you qualify for the semi-finals, you'll have to pay this fees. I hope this answers the question, Manish. I have the next question from Makarand Purohit. He is asking whether he can participate with a partner from another company, like a friend or a spouse. Absolutely, Makarand. You can partner with your friend, your spouse, your peer from the same company or from a different company. So Faraz Afghan has a question. Faraz is asking that in V model, testing is started at the initial level and bugs are found. How different is Agile model? Faraz, I think this question is beyond the scope of this session. What I would say is that we can have a separate session to address this question. This is a technical question, and but just to give you an answer in short, in Agile model also the testing starts at the initial level, and that is where we have test-driven development getting adopted in all the projects where Agile is getting implemented. That testers are expected to have knowledge of programming, and programmers are expected to know the various aspects of testing. So what we are seeing is that the role of a tester and the role of a developer are changing, and testing is being conducted at the very beginning. So I hope it answers the question. I'm happy to have a more informative discussion after this session as in the offline mode. I have next question from Sandeep Gupta, and he's asking what type of questions are asked in quiz. So in quiz, we will be asking multiple choice questions. So it will be basically some questions will be some questions will be very easy, some will be of intermediate difficulty, and some will be very difficult questions. We will be asking multiple choice questions with no negative marking. You can choose one answer. There will be only one answer for a question. There will be 4 choices. So just like in KBC, you have 4 choices and you have one option. Unfortunately, you do not have a lifeline here, but so I hope that was a good example to understand what will be the kind of questions in the quiz. We have a next question from Sharmila Patwardhan. What will Unicom gain with this mentorship? the program. Sharmila, very good question. Now, what do we gain? We want to have more and more thought leaders in India so that they can come and present at our conferences. So, we are in a business where we need thought leaders so that, we can have a very good presentation, we can have a demonstration, and we can have very good tutorials that can be taken by one of you, whoever becomes a thought leader. So we are in a business of give and take. So we understand that to grow in this business, we need to develop thought leaders, because if we do not develop thought leaders, we will be stuck, and we will not have new ideas, fresh ideas getting discussed at our conference. So this is our objective, and I think we are in a good business. We understand that unless we develop you, we will not grow. So we never take our delegates for granted, and we go all out to help you, and we go, we come up with unique ideas, unique ways to help you to develop yourself, to become a thought leader. We want you all guys to dream. We want you all guys to make the most of it, make the most of the opportunity that India is presenting. So we are in a great country. We are in a great business. You all are in IT industry, which is one of the most sought after across the world. So make most of use. We make most use of it. Be a thought leader. Dream here. So this is what we will gain. If we have plenty of thought leaders, we'll have plenty of choices. Currently, we do not see a lot of used cases being discussed. We have a lot of people giving, gyans, telling you how he thinks it should be done. What we want is people coming and telling that how he has done it and proved it and found success, and he wants others to also make use of it. We want that kind of speakers. We want that kind of thought leader. Let me go to the next question. So the next question is from Mandakini. She is asking whether the quizzes will be solved jointly by 2 members in a team. Yes, Mandakini. So as Agile suggests you to work in a team, even in Agile Olympiad, you will be working in a team, and you will be, both the members will be jointly solving the quiz questions. We have a next question from Nidhi. Nidhi is asking, can support and old technologies projects be managed by Agile processes? Yes, Nidhi. Remember that Agile is a mindset. It goes beyond projects. It can be implemented even in regular day-to-day work. It can be implemented in old technology projects as well as support projects. We have a next question from Falak. Falak is asking, is Agile methodology used in engineering information system? It can be used, Falak, and we have a topic in Bangalore which is called Agile in Design, and that is where we have a used case of how Agile methodology has been used in engineering information system across the design, across in design of architecture, design of code, everything. So it can be used. M. Rajesh has the next question. He is asking, can Agile be helpful for PHP developer? So of course, Rajesh, it is Agile is not dependent on any language or operating system. So it can be helpful whether you are developing using PHP, Java, .NET, C++, etc. We have a next question from Prateek Mehta. Prateek is asking where we need to register. I hope, Prateek, you got the mail. So you can register by sending an email to contact@unicomlearning.com, or you can register at the page www.agileinbusiness.com/contest. I'll repeat the email ID once again. It is contact, C-O-N-T-A-C-T, contact@unicom, U-N-I-C-O-M, M for Mumbai, Unicom Learning, Learning.com. Or you can register online by visiting the website agileinbusiness.com/contest. We have a next question from Khageshwar. He's saying that He's working in project manager with 10 years of experience, but he's new to Agile. So he's asking how can he start and where can he learn? So Khageshwar, very good question. So you can, learn by getting basic knowledge by various sources on Agile, and you can contact us. We can help you out. Contact at unicomlearning.com. Unicom is India's leading knowledge sharing company in Agile. So we have a lot of collaterals. You can use take advantage of those collaterals and develop yourselves in Agile. We have next question from Ripu Sadan. Can you please tell whether you are also providing any learning resource? I'm new to Agile and wants to implement in my company. Sure, Ripu Sadan. So as I said earlier, we have a lot of collaterals, resources. You can make use of it. Write an email to us to contact@unicomlearning.com and we'll help you out. Manish is asking what is the process to register for Thought Leadership Program. So Manish will be sent after this event. Within a week, we'll be sending you an email with a link where you can fill a form for this Thought Leadership Program, and then we'll have a selection process. Once you are selected, you will be enrolled for our Thought Leadership Program. So we will be sending you the link, Manish, very shortly on this. In case you don't get, send an email to contact@unicomlearning.com. We have a next question from Nan Shekharan. He's saying, if we provide some mentor program, can we claim this hours against PMP certification? No, Nan Shekharan. None of the mentorship program qualifies for PDUs or contact hours. So bad luck. But if you come to our conference, India Agile Week, that qualifies you for PDUs. So we'll be able to give PDUs to you. Sandeep Gupta is asking whether Agile is only for testing or for development. Sandeep, Agile is for all projects, software development, support, maintenance, software testing, across all projects. We have the next question from Prashant Gupta. How innovation will help to make Agile more responsive in nature? Prashant, I think you have this is a 1 hour. To answer this will take 1 hour. There are a lot of innovations that are happening, and those are helping Agile to become more responsive in nature. You have asked a very deep and very insightful question. Unfortunately, this is too short time we have to answer this. So let me go on to the next question. Mandakini is asking, where on your website I'll get list of topics for quiz. So Mandakini, you can visit our website agileandbusiness.com/contest, and you will get the complete list of the topics that are covered. The next question is from Shamkhera. How will it help experienced developers and testers who have been doing Agile for years? Will their knowledge base be utilized? Yes, Shami, I believe you are talking about Agile Olympiad. So this is a good contest to test your skills and to win a gold medal at Agile Olympiad. Rajagopalan Rajendran is asking, how does becoming Agile Thought Leadership Program work? How does the enrollment happen? Is there any selection criteria? So I've already discussed Rajagopalan. You will be getting an email. You fill up the form. We are looking for bright individuals, those who have passion for their career and those who can demonstrate it. We have a selection criteria. There will be an interview process. Those who get selected then only will qualify for Agile Thought Leadership Program. We have next question from Atul Vishwakarma. He is asking, what are the development tools to develop website and software with Agile? Atul, we cannot take this question here. You're asking what are the development tools that are available to develop website and software with Agile. So you can, we can take this question offline. This is beyond the scope of this webinar. Manish is asking, is Thought Leadership Program only for those who attend the India Agile Week 2013? No, Manish, anyone who have attended our conference or our webinar or any of our events, so they will qualify for India Agile Week. So on virtue of this, you have qualified. Now, the only thing you have to do is you have to wait for our email, then respond to that email, and then you have to give an interview if you are selected, and then you have to follow our plan. Praveen is asking, do we have a proper certification focusing on agile testing? Yes, Praveen. So India Agile Week is coming up with a certification program. That certificate is given by Agile Testing Alliance. So this is a MAT program, Manual Agile Tester, which will it's a program to train a manual tester with right skills so that he can work in agile projects. So we have this certification program available. You can visit agileinbusiness.com to get more knowledge on this program, or you can write to us at contact@unicornlearning.com and we'll provide you with all the details. So I think I have answered all the questions. So if you have any further questions, you can write to us at contact@unicornlearning.com. We'll be more than happy to conduct a separate webinar. We'll be more than happy to answer you or call you. So with this, best wishes for your career. I hope to see you playing Agile Olympiad. Take it seriously. It is something which will give a lot of boost to your confidence and to your career. Play Agile Olympiad. If you want to gain a lot of knowledge on Agile, attend our conference. The whole idea of India Agile Week was to help to make you attend event at your city so that you do not spend a lot of money to come to Bangalore or Pune, where usually most of the Agile events are organized. So we are organizing in various cities. We are reaching out to tier 2 cities as well. Make use of it. And see you very soon. This is Nitesh Naveen signing off from Unicorn India Agile Week, and have a great and pleasant evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Naveen. That was a great presentation. And thank you once again for taking all the questions. We do have some other questions. Probably you can take them offline. For all the participants, thanks for all your support, and the recorded session will be available on techgeek.com by tomorrow sometime. Thank you so much, Mr. Naveen, once again.
You're welcome.